Strike, that's the B-47, built by the Douglas Company. The second one for the Stars and Barnes. Aircraft now, unavailable to us before the fall of the USS Guy. That's the C-86 aircraft of the Red Star. Powered by radio, air-cooled engines, they were very robust and strong. They were the BT-13, built to 1,000. Only about 20 can actually fly. Because they have great engines. People wonder could he put on his multiple Ford tri-motors. That was a Korean War observation aircraft, the military version of the Cessna 170, configured for military operations. General by the name of Patrick Henry Brady, great Irishman, and his daughter and he wrote a book. His daughter's Megan Brady, and Dead Men Fly. General Brady in Vietnam was not refused of missions to rescue airplanes. Imagine Ed McMahon of Johnny Carson fame flying one of those as a Marine. He was a Marine in World War II. He was graded and took down, and he could hit them. It hit the vulnerable, softer armor that was on the top of the turret as opposed to the side, which was tougher. Red Star aircraft are great value and great sound. The Red Star group get together and exchange information and have gatherings. Red Star because of the symbol. That's what we call a razorback. The one on the far side, you can look behind it. The Bearcat would take the gold. Some years the B-51s would take the gold, and that was the battle for the aircraft carrier. So yes, I also carry more than invasion strikes on that, and as we continue footage built by Cessna as a lower cost aircraft that is running low repeated aircraft. Less money, lower horsepower engine. The one Charlie model with the Razorback, the limited canopy with backward visibility. Then the D model, where the 360-degree wraparound view. Then the smaller airplane closer to us, the F-8 Bearcat. Now here's what Grumman C1 greater. They call that folks the top. It's only carrier on board and everything. That way the night because the wing is folded up. B-46 over the top with invasion stripes. Get that. Those photographs, and the noise you have to notice get. You know the invasion stripes on the B-47? Or an enemy aircraft. Okay, B-25's under that airplane is wearing a watch. It was provided him by the two little family. Second round. In the unmanned B-25. Okay. Okay, Ben. You've been a friend for years. He came up with that, and I just that was the disaster of the attack on Pearl Harbor. Morale in America was at an all-time low. Citizens could not keep their heads up. We had taken a shellacking. Until the Doolittle raid. All 80 crew members were told there was a high probability devastating to the enemy. A tremendous advantage to the Pacific Fleet and marked the beginning of the end of the war in the Pacific. As they continued to come in with Cairo, over Tokyo, Doolittle crossed the way from the field, but quite the contrary. He bypassed rank and was promoted 2 steps to Brigadier General. In addition, Doolittle was presented the Medal of Honor. That's what it looks like. Now, fast forward, April 15th, the year 2015. at the Capitol building in Washington, D.C. The 80 Raiders, dead or alive, at the Red Bull Gold Medal. Then I'm told it was flown aboard a B-25 to Dayton, Ohio, to be presented by co-pilot. He presented it to the national entity version. B-25 is coming in with a pyro path from Tora Pyro. The commemorative airport. They were listening to the state people who have been out here slaving and planting a crop since early this morning, and now they're harvesting that crop. The crop is gasoline and dynamite. That wasn't enough. They put a 75mm cannon different size. Then they go to their test. That's basically back in 7. We want to light it right to land. The last airplane on the bridge landing. F-8 Paragon, 800 rounds of ammunition firing out of 6 guns, approximately 500 gallons of fuel was dropped in. This and other aircraft were the first to escort our long-range 4-engine daylight bombers deep into enemy territory and back. Prior to that time, the attrition airplanes besides Cessna, UC-78 Pro UTG vans, that was the airplane of choice. Our man, Kirby Grant, starred in TV Warbirds. You can see that sweetback I talked to you about, and also the two Metro Sims at the bottom of the area. That's just taxied in front of us.